Hello everyone, this is Jordan from Kanen Coffee, and today we have a DeLonghi Magnifica XS with us in the shop. And it had came in because when you turn it on, usually you have this light flashing to heat up the boiler to start brewing, and it wouldn't get off of that stage. You would hear the transmission move and stuff like that, but it wouldn't go past that stage. It wouldn't go past heating up stage, and it wouldn't brew coffee. It wouldn't do anything actually. So we went in there, we tested the wiring to pinpoint where the problem was happening, and we were able to pinpoint to a broken fuse. So here's the original fuse. It wasn't working anymore. This is the fuse that goes onto your engine that's right here. Can't imagine it like this inside. And it takes a while to get to, but we did replace it. And usually I start the videos with the machine on already, but since the issue was occurring when it was off to booting up, we're going to test it with a brand new fuse. So we're going to turn it on. Again, you see that light is flashing. And yeah, usually it will move the transmission to here, like if it's ready to brew coffee. And it wouldn't rinse before, but now, as you will see, as it heats up, it's starting to rinse now. Rinse hot water. You kind of see with the smoke. I don't know if the video will show that. You kind of see the condensation, yeah. So we're able to get that engine back and running, turning on. We're going to brew a coffee with this machine. Also, we're going to test the steam wand. And hot water. We're going to let it boot until we see all the lights flash. There it goes. So now we're ready to brew. We're going to do let's do a single. We're going to hear the grinder go on. And since that new fuse is in there, we're actually able to get hot water to come out. Here's our one shot. Very well. Now we are going to get a cup for the hot water. And open it up. You see hot water's coming out. We're going to close it. Now we're going to turn on the steam function. This is going to warm up also. It's going to flash. You're going to feel your machine start to pulse. When you open that up, the steam's going to start cooling. Now the steam is pushing through. Take it off. And you can see everything is working great. And that's about it for this video. If you like this video or any of our other videos on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.